Hi Mallets! We are going to start using your book today. So if you don't already have your instrument all set up, go ahead and do that. You can pause, get the instrument set up, and get the book set up. Get the book out. Once you have your book out, I want you to turn to Mallets page 4. Be careful because there is snare music, or it's called drums music, and mallets music in this book. So you want to make sure that it says page 4 mallets. If you're on the wrong page, you will see page 4 drums. So we want to have page 4 mallets. There's a lot of new vocab words that it's teaching you here. Treble clef, that means that this is music for the higher instruments like flute, clarinet, trumpet. Has a time signature, which means this time signature means there are 4 beats per measure. It has a quarter note, which is 1 beat, and a quarter rest, which is 1 beat. We are going to start by practicing song number 1, the right hand ramble. Song number 1 starts on the note C, and to find that, you're going to look at the very bottom of your instrument, right on the largest key. You have F, G, A, B, then C. This is the C that we're going to be using, and it's called middle C. That C is called middle C. So it tells you to start with your right hand. If you look in the book, right above the first measure of the first song, there are R's. R, 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 R. That means to use your right hand. So let's practice doing 4 right hand quarter notes. I'm going to hold both my sticks hovering over the key, even though I'm only using 1, both my mallets, and I am going to do 4 right hand C's. 1, 2, ready, go. Now I see these 4 little squiggles here, and those squiggles each mean to rest for 1 beat. So I'm going to play C for 4 with my right hand, that's why the R's are there, rest for 4. C for 4, rest for 4, C for 4, rest for 4, C for 4, rest for 4. Let's play the whole song of Right Hand Ramble. Keep both of your mallets resting over the bar. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to look at number 2, lots of lefts. It's basically the same song, but this time you are using your left hand. So you're going to do 4 lefts on C, 4 rests on C, 4 lefts on C, 4 rests on C. While we're here, let's look at the next song, which is pretty much the same thing, except for this time we're using right, then left, right, and then left. So now let's try number 2, lots of lefts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can try number 3. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's check out the rest of the page that you're going to be working this week. Number 4 is using alternating in each measure. And as it shows you down here in this picture, when you are using both mallets on the same bar, you want to keep them one in front of the other so they both have their own little space on the bar. Number 5 is basically the same thing except no more rests, so you're just going alternating through the whole thing. And then number 6, puts a rest into the measure with the notes. So you're going to do play, 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 rest. Play, 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 rest. You will notice how these 3 songs have 2 different sets of rights and lefts. We call those stickings, where it shows you the rights and the lefts. Those are stickings. And if there's 2 different sets, you can pick. You'll see a little tiny or right there. So that means you could go right, left, or left, right. So in songs 4, 5, and 6, you choose the stickings that you want to use.